Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is the Star Wars Polybag number 30241, and this is the Mandalorian fighter. Now, this predates the actual series The Mandalorian. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it does. I'm sure it does. Anyway, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about liking and subscribing, because my current plan is to do one of these a day for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy them, there's a lot more on the way. I'll get a little bag of the fiddly bits and then the big stuff. Okay. Anyway, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find this set on Amazon and on Bricklink. And also, I've included the link for Brick Set. If you just want information about this. There's also a link in the description for a Google Doc that has information about these Polybag build-alongs, past, present, and future. So if you want to either prepare in advance to build along with one coming up, or if you want to... That was just a crazy moment, wasn't it? I'm like, no, not this piece, this piece. Okay, so there we go. So if you want information about that, that is also in the description. Now, I gotta tell you, I have generally liked these little micro scale spaceship builds, but I don't know, we'll see. This one looks kind of interesting. Okay, so I put the large wing. Alright, you can't see me on camera, can you? So you got this. This gets us to here, and then for here we attach this here, looks like, and then this goes in the middle like so, and then we have oh, okay, we have two of the white cheese slopes that apparently doesn't want to go in. So 1 and 2. And then we have alright. So we have a 1x2 goes here. One of these sticks off the end, like so. And then we have a 1x2 tile right there. That gets us to that. And then this piece goes here. And a 1x1 tile goes up here. And let's line it up all the way it should be. And then we got a couple of these little yellow things, which I'm assuming is going to be thrust for the ship. And then, alright, so this goes here. And then we have another one coming off right here. And then we flip it over and put a 1x2. Alright. I get the distinct impression in the near future I'll be doing that thing kind of backwards that I just did. Alright, so we got this. So the next thing we gotta do is, it looks like we gotta build the middle part, which is gonna be like the cockpit. Alright, so that is going to be a 1x4. And then, where's that thing at? I just saw it. I thought I just saw it. Oh, I did just see it. And this thing. So this goes here, like so. And then this is on the front. And then we have a 1x1. Goes in the middle right here. Like so. And then we're going to have this. And then a super blue looking cheese slope to be the cockpit. And then we're going to have this right there. And this inserts in here, like so. And then this is going to clip to the end. So that gets us this, right? And then the wing clips on like so. That's interesting. Alright. So now we just got to do that thing that we did again, but different. Okay, so like so. And then do the other wing, basically. Which, if I'd been thinking about it, I probably should have just done it at the same time and saved some time there. But I did not. So, alright, got this, and then these go on here, and here, like so, and then we have one cheese wedge, or cheese slope, whatever you want to call it, and the other one. You know, this is kind of looking like a neat ship so far. And then this goes here. This thing goes right there. We got this blue one. We did those. We're going to do this wing up here, like so. And we got this. Also like so, and then got these, and then we flip it over and put this on the back. Alright, so this clips in on this side. So I got this. So this is interesting. So technically, oh, it's not quite done, is it? So we got that, and then we add these two little levers. It's kind of helpful that we are able to, bracing forward. It's kind of helpful that we're able to flip the wings out of the way. I think the wings are interesting. I don't know how crazy I am about the ship in general, but I like the interaction with the wings and the body of the ship. Alright, so this is the way it ends in the instructions right here, and then we flip it. So you have the cockpit goes like that, and you end up with it so it flies like this, which is, I don't know. I'm not super crazy about that particular angle of the way it flies. I feel like if you're going to have it fly like this, you have to also do this side. Like, it needs to be symmetric. There needs to be the symmetry. If you have it where If you have it where it's like this, then you have a distinct up and down, and you can get away with the downside being kind of less detailed. But with it where you have the side-to-side thing, where you should conceivably be able to see it from this side and this side, I wonder if it's supposed to be reminiscent of an angelfish. I don't know. Anyway, it's kind of interesting. I don't think it's my favorite ship so far, but I do like I think the wings are kind of cool. Did I forget to put on a piece? I did. Oh, shame on me. I missed this piece and this piece. Oh, okay. You know what's kind of funny? Those actually make it come together a little bit better. Alright. These are our extra pieces, such as they are. Anyway, I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.